Do you know which the largest organ in our body is? The liver is the gatekeeper of our body. All the protein, carbs, and fats that people consume are managed by the liver. It also looks after the production of numerous proteins and fats that is necessary for body function. You can eat or drink a variety of things to support liver health. Stay connected as we will cover the finest foods for liver health to provide positive effects on the organ. 1. Oatmeal is a simple way to increase the fiber in your diet. The specific fibers found in oats are beneficial for the liver. Fiber is a key component of digestion. Oatmeal is rich in beta-glucans, which promotes liver health. 2. Green tea lowers the chances of liver cancer. It is crucial to remember that drinking green tea may be healthier for you than taking an extract because excessive dose extracts can harm your liver instead of helping it. 3. Supplementing the diet with garlic can help persons with non-alcoholic fatty liver disease lose less body weight and body fat while maintaining their lean body mass. 4. Nuts are another good food for the liver. Unsaturated fatty acids, vitamin A, and antioxidants are typically found in nuts. These substances lessen oxidative stress, inflammation, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. 5. Turmeric has been used in beauty products for thousands of years, but turmeric is helpful in other ways as well. It is helpful in the treatment of hepatitis B and C. 6. An animal study from 2000 suggests that the herb burdock, which is frequently used as a natural detox, may help protect liver cells from harm brought on by acetaminophen. Burdock also aids in preventing liver damage brought on by consuming alcohol. An active lifestyle is essential for a healthy liver. Exercise reduces liver stress, boosts energy levels, and aids in preventing obesity, which is a risk factor for liver disease. Try to maintain a total weekly exercise time of 150 minutes. It can include brisk walking or swimming. Combining weight training with aerobic activity will improve your quality of life. Any type of physical activity is good for your liver. But this kind of physical exercise is definitely worth considering if you really want to boost your liver function. This workout plan seems to reduce the amount of fat deposited in liver cells. Some examples of aerobic exercises which you can try are dancing, tennis, cycling, hiking, swimming, brisk walking, jogging, and running. If you are a fitness freak, you can use resistance training by using free weights like dumbbells and barbells. Therefore, food combined with exercise will bring positive results. Stay tuned to know more ways to boost your health in our next video.